to talk about the Bleep Eclipse, which uses magnet technology, which is a vast improvement, although these were good. The Dream ports were very good, but the Eclipse is the one to try. Now, if you're going to try this, make sure there's a few little accessories that you might need in order to make it work smoothly. One is an astringent. They also, Stuart, the inventor, sells an astringent with his set that comes online that you can buy. Also, because I'm a mouth breather, some mouth tape, I use that. Also, they recommend a hose holder, which you can also buy online. And this is for you ladies that you might want to clip this to your hose and then clip this to, it helps manage your hose management at night. If you're like me and you're tired of struggling and have been through a myriad of masks, trying various ones, it's very nice to go to bed at night and know that you're going to have a system that works, helps reduce the leaks, and is managing your sleep apnea. So I hope you all have a good day. Thank you.